This is Logitech Mk235 wireless keyboard and mouse combo. I got this from Flipkart and I am using this for last 2-3 hours, and I found it is very quiet, and the keyboard typing feeling is like just like your laptop. It is soft, and it is making not that much noise. Connectivity is easy, but uh, the travel speed of mouse pointer is not that great, so I need to download a piece of software from Logitech website on my Windows laptop to increase the speed of the pointer. I tried to increase the speed on Windows itself, but it didn't work for some reason. So by default the speed of the pointer from the mouse is not that great for me. I usually use in very fast mode. That's the reason maybe I feel like the pointer was slow. And I like the keyboard. It's very lightweight, and the keys are comfortable to touch. The feeling is good. uh, I don't know what should I say more about a keyboard and mouse. It's wireless. I have G 603 mouse, and the other keyboard, the wireless gaming mechanical keyboard. I rarely change battery. So they are claiming 3 years for this. So I am confident that it will last more than 3 years. But you need to check the battery compartment every now and then, because the batteries came with my wireless mechanical gaming keyboard was leaking after 9 months. So I removed that battery and put a new battery after that. So the problem with these keyboards are it is extremely efficient and you need to check the battery health every now and then, because the longevity makes the battery die inside this keyboard and mouse. So every 5-6 months, or every 2 months, or every other month, you need to check the battery for any leakage, or also try to buy Duracell or any other proven batteries that will not leak inside these electronic equipments. As you can see, I really like the keyboard. As I said, it is easy to connect. Just put the nano USB adapter to the device. It will work with the TV, wireless Samsung wireless DeX, and Windows, Mac, etc. So if you need to use the to improve the pointer speed or something else, you need to download Logitech options software, that is 200 megabyte. That's what I'm doing right now on the screen. uh, it will ask you to register, but just click the close button. I did that. I was confused, so I was looking at that for a second and closed it. So you don't need to register. It will easy to use software. You can increase the pointer speed like that, and that's it. That's a simple piece of that's a 200 megabyte software doing for you. It will increase the pointer speed and do some other few simple stuff. So the previously for the G603 and other keyboard I have, they need Logitech gaming software, because that is G series. This is K series, MK series. So the G series software will not recognize this MK series keyboard. So I need to, if I need to use both keyboards, I need to install both of the software. Now the gaming software is changed to Logitech Hub. They are unifying all their hardware to the one piece of software called Logitech Hub, but that is also not recognized with this new mouse and keyboard, that Mk235. So you need to download Logitech options to change anything if you need. uh, and the battery is are not rechargeable. So don't put it into a charger, remove it. Also check it every 3 to 5 months, after 8 months, because there is a chance of leaking. and it will kill the hardware if you didn't check it. Okay, so check the batteries every now and then. The range, speed, lag, there is no problems for me right now, but who knows, right? And these are the noise comparison I am doing with this keyboard. It's pretty silent. There is no problem with if okay, I am going to sit silently, hear the noise. The new keyboard is very silent. Let's compare with MacBook Pro. It is very close to a laptop keyboard, so and the experience is also very similar to a laptop. So uh, that's it. Quick unboxing, review or something, opinion like video. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. This is Vishnu. Bye.